Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are going to be featuring the stamp set Beautiful Bouquet, and this is a cute little card we're going to be making today. Let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start with our big shot. And I have my magnetic cutting plate platform down. You don't necessarily need it. That's just the one that was already on my big shot. So I have the second to the smallest framelit from the Stitched Shapes, and I have Whisper White, and then I have the Rich Razzleberry with the larger oval. So we'll just run those through. Alright, and the stamp set we're using is Beautiful Bouquet, and we are just going to be using the Happy Birthday. And I have that mounted on clear block B, and we're going to use it on this stitched. And so I have Blackberry Bliss, Alright, so just like that. Now, I want to adhere this down to the oval. So just like that. Now, our card base is Whisper White thick, and it's cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and it's scored at 4 1/4. And I have a piece of Rich Razzleberry, and this measures 4 by 5 1/4. I'm just going to put that down. Then from the Delightfully Detailed Designer Series paper, that laser cut paper, I cut this out, and it's just going to make a nice border. So just like that. Now for the scallop Whisper White, I'm going to lay that one flat right here in the middle. And now for our sentiment, I want to pop that up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. And then I have the faceted dots. I'm just going to come in with my paper piercer. And I think I'm going to take the larger ones, not the largest ones, just the larger ones, and put it down just like that. So there you have it when you need a birthday card in a pinch. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you need any of these supplies, you can click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!